NVIDIA CEO, he says that in the next 4 or 5 years, the programmers will be extinct as we know that. And
I agree.
Do you agree with that?
Yeah. So I think if you look at programming languages, what are programming languages? Programming languages are a way to get a computer to do what you want.
Yeah.
So if you go back to the very first early days of programming machine code, right? And one of my first jobs as an intern was doing machine code, right? Languages have got better and better and better and easier because what they're doing is they're enabling more and more humans to have access to be able to code, to make computers do what they want. So if you now look at it as what's an LLM, well, an LLM is the next generation programming language, actually. So think about an LLM as a programming language. Don't think about it as anything else. So an LLM is a way for me to get computers to do what I want. Conversational programming, think about it, right? That's exactly where we're getting to. We're nearly there already with LLMs. So yeah, you won't need programmers. I think but this is all about, Umair mentioned it, the word context is very important. The more trained the LLMs become, the wider the data set they have, the better the understanding they have of your business, the better the understanding of how you operate, the more context they have about how you do things, the better they're going to be able to essentially do what you want them to do. But yeah, I think totally, I'm getting very excited about the fact that I will be able to code by talking to a computer.
Yeah, so I mean, eventually the holy grail would be to take LLM to a stage where they can be our CDOs.
Gosh, it's one that I always get asked by people all the time because I often get, will it take my job? The answer is probably yes. And you'll have to find a different one, but that's always happened to humans. We've always had our jobs taken away by technology.
I think as long as the humans find a way to remain computationally and intelligently ahead of other stuff, I think we are covered and we can use these machines for our benefit.
Correct. Use them to augment us, not replace.